In the dynamic landscape of egg tray production technology, AGICO shines as an industry leader. Our commitment to research, development, and manufacturing of cutting-edge egg tray making machines, egg tray production lines, paper pulping molding machines, and related equipment sets us apart in this niche sector. With an extensive legacy spanning numerous years, AGICO boasts a wealth of experience in the production and global marketing of egg tray making machines and pulp molding machines. A global footprint of excellence. The impact of AGICO's egg tray machinery reverberates across the globe, transcending borders and cultures. Our state-of-the-art technology has found a home in over 20 countries, including Egypt, Russia, India, the Philippines, Brazil, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Algeria, Australia, Argentina, Libya, Syria, and many more. This widespread reach underscores our dedication to serving a diverse and discerning clientele. Leading the egg tray manufacturing industry. As pioneers in the field, AGICO is at the forefront of designing, manufacturing, and installing egg tray machinery. Our product portfolio encompasses a comprehensive array of solutions, including egg tray making machines, egg tray production lines, pulp molding equipment, and various other mechanical innovations. Our expertise and dedication to precision engineering are evident in every facet of our offerings, setting the standard for technology and services. At AGICO, we are committed to advancing technology and delivering exceptional engineering solutions on a global scale. Our unwavering dedication extends to executing world-class engineering projects and providing superior services that consistently exceed expectations. We ensure that our clients receive nothing short of the best in terms of quality, performance, and support. Embrace AGICO's innovation and expertise. At AGICO, innovation meets precision, shaping the future of egg tray production. We invite you to embark on this journey of excellence with us. Experience the AGICO advantage, where quality is paramount and technology takes center stage. To explore our cutting-edge egg tray making machines and comprehensive services, or to inquire further, please don't hesitate to reach out. AGICO is your trusted partner in revolutionizing egg tray production, one innovation at a time.